Hello friends, welcome to ASTA Academy. Today we are going to look at in context or the word problems, and we are still looking at linear equations in a single variable. So there is a word problem goes like this. Please go through it. There is a car traveling at 60 miles per hour, leaves town A at 9 a.m. Another car leaves town A at 10 a.m. One hour later, but it's traveling at 75 miles an hour in the same direction. And what you need to do is you have to find at what time will the second car catch up with the first. Okay. Now in these type of problems, you have to formulate the variables, you have to write down the equation, you have to make the diagram to understand. If you start solving it, start crunching numbers, without thinking properly, you may either go in the wrong direction or it may take longer to solve. Okay. So the best way to solve this is to make a diagram. Okay. Let's say here is the distance. You have both of them are starting at the same place. Okay. There is one car going in this direction. Let's say car number 1. Okay. And its speed is 60 miles per hour. And it starts at 9 a.m. Okay. Now there's another car, number 2, let's say, starts at the same place, town A. Okay, this is your town A. Their starting point is same, and its speed is 75 miles per hour, but it starts at 10 a.m. Okay. Now they are traveling in the same direction. So let's say from left to right. Now we have to find the time at which the second car catches up with the first. Now the trick here is to realize what will be same. Will it be time? Will it be distance? Will it be velocities? Okay. Now in this case it is given that the times are different. One is starting at 9, another is starting at 10. Their speeds are different. Okay. But when they meet up, let's say they meet up somewhere here. Okay. Let's say some town B, okay, or close to town B. So they have traveled this much distance. Okay, car 1 has traveled X distance, car 2 has traveled X distance. What does that mean? That means the important thing is that the distances traveled when they meet is what? Is same. Has to be same because their starting point is same and their ending point is same, so the distance covered is same. So this is the fact we are going to exploit or utilize or implement in this problem. So now the problem is simple. What we do is we equate the distances traveled by first car with that of the second car. Now first one is traveling at 60 miles per hour. Okay. Now let's say we need to define something here. Sometime, let's say let t is equal to the time after, let's say I'm going to take it 10 a.m. You can take it 9 also, doesn't matter, answer will be same. So I'm saying I'm going to measure t as the time after 10 a.m. Okay. So the second car would have traveled how much? The second car would have taken, let's say, t hours since 10 a.m. How much distance it will travel? 75 t. Okay, distance is equal to velocity into time. So in t hours, the second car would have traveled 75 t miles. This distance has to be equal to the distance traveled by the first car, which is what? Its speed is 60 and how much time it will take. All right, it will take t hours after 10, but it started at 9. So it will take t plus 1 hour. So this is the crux or the critical point in this problem, to realize that the first car will take t plus 1 hours. If your times are starting at 9 a.m., then it will be t and t minus 1. You can solve it easily. So now what you have done is you have formulated this word problem into a simple equation, linear equation in single variable. Okay, once you have done that, it's a piece of cake. You can easily solve it. So you solve it, you will get 60t plus 60, use distribution. Okay, smaller quantity of variable you transfer on the other side. Okay, so it will be what? 75t minus 60t will be equal to what? 60. Or you will have 15t is equal to 60, or you will have t is equal to 60 by 15 is going to be 4 hours. So after 4 hours, or 4 hours after 10 a.m., my t is starting at 10 a.m. Okay, so after 4 hours they will meet at the same point somewhere in town B. Okay, so what will be the time? What's the time after 10 plus 4 hours? It will be 10 a.m. plus 4 hours, which is 2 p.m. What's the answer? Answer is B. So in this case, you see that your answer is going to be B. Okay. So this is how you solve this type of problems, word problems, which are more challenging, more difficult. You will notice these will come towards the end of your module 1 or module 2, whatever. Okay. So the key here is to make the equation. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.